Injection molders notoriously 15 years ago were making component parts. They were making typically small parts that would be used in a larger assembly. That would be very price competitive for them. And so the injection molding companies have evolved, and many of them now manufacture entire assemblies. And a lot of those assemblies have some type of function where you've got a lid that moves or some type of button that you push that allows the assembly to do whatever it needs to do. It's obviously very important to have a very high quality spring that is used in the product. But what we found is many times the final assembly has to have a specific sound to it or a specific feel to it. So maybe the initial springs that were designed opened the lid too quickly. And so the customer wanted the lid to have a more gradual opening speed to it. We are now providing families of parts that have a different feel to them or a different rate to them. You have different price points of cars, and consequently you have different levels of quality. We can supply to the lower end product that the lid opens at a faster rate. On the higher end, the spring needs to operate differently, and so the lid needs to open at a slower rate. We find it very interesting as the injection molding companies and their assembly requirements have become more sophisticated that we've had to do a different job of supporting the engineers and designers to be able to understand how we can form or shape or create a part that will not have any sound being emitted by it when it's actually in its functioning state. We're a very good fit for that industry from a design standpoint and a supplier standpoint, just because of our knowledge of working with resins and all the track record and history that we've had over the years. The MW Industries families of companies have done a great job supplying quality parts to that industry.